Hey Gemini, what's the weather today?
In Louisville, Texas, it's currently 85 degrees Fahrenheit and partly cloudy. For today, you can expect high 90 degrees Fahrenheit, low 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Conditions.
Hey Gemini, what's some free things to do in Dallas, Texas?
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know I see you. My baby, you know I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord.
What's up, y'all? So CJ Brain here. Today we be taking this Google Pixel 9 Pro XL outside for a real day in the life, I guess, review, honestly. So we downtown Dallas right now. If y'all want to take a look at the scenery, take a look at the scenery. Nah, bro, we got a lot of good things up out of here. So we're going to be using pretty much like, the camera functionality on this phone. Also going to be taking a look at Gemini. I'm going to mainly try my best to go ahead and use like the Magic Editor and then a couple other great features up in here as well when it comes down to the camera. Right now, we are currently at only got 96% on the phone. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's hella bright out here and it's hot out here in Dallas. But anyway, like I said, we're finna go down the street down over here to like the AT&T district. So come on, let's go ahead and get straight into it.
Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jembele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jembele, oh Jembele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, this is gonna be straight dope, bro. Like this camera straight fire. Like comparing it to an iPhone, like I geek out about a Pixel. Really an Android device, I should say, versus an iPhone, just because I expect iPhone quality to be a little bit better versus like a Pixel and everything. So, but we almost here, bro. We almost here. It's hot out here. Y'all know, y'all see this sun on my face. It's glistening. I can't do this back home in St. Louis. They'd probably rob me. Straight up. Oh, brother. Get the camera on this joint, use that 0.5. I ain't gotta wait for that traffic to go again. Alright, that's good right there. Bro, the color accuracy, I bet y'all gotta look at this real quick. But the color accuracy, bro, I can't even find the damn pictures. This ain't even my picture. What the hell? Bro, the color accuracy, you ain't got to zoom in on that. But the color accuracy on the Pixel 9, bro, comparing it just to like any other phone, especially like the iPhone. I may just whip out my iPhone, bro, and show y'all the difference real quick. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and do that real quick. How you turn this joint around? Oh, 0.5 go crazy. But yeah, we're gonna show y'all the color accuracy and everything, because bro, looking at the Pixel 9, comparing it to the iPhone I want to call this mode the iPhone 26 so bad, but comparing it to the iPhone 16, this doesn't add up, bro, at all. Like the Pixel has a lot of more contrast in it, and it makes the pictures look a little bit more like realistic versus like the iPhone. Now I know some of y'all probably be like, bro, you just saying what you want to say. However, bro, look at the pictures, man. Look at the pictures. Come on, man, let's keep going, bro. Cool, y'all. So we just went ahead and got here to the AT&T district. So now we're about to go ahead and film some of this content here. It is bright out here, so I'm hoping that we can get enough stuff. If not, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, we're gonna go to a different destination and actually use the nighttime mode that's actually inside the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. With this having this triple camera setup, like I said, we got a 50 megapixel for the main sensor, and then the other two sensors for the telephoto and ultra wide both have 48s. It's gonna be fire, I ain't gonna lie to you. And then also on top of that, once again, that selfie camera still does have that 42 megapixel sensor in it as well. But I'm not really gonna be taking any selfies today. It's more likely gonna be like, scenery shots, people enjoying their time, gonna get a couple like videos and everything. I just really wanna put this phone to the test and really see, if this phone is worth the hype or if it's not worth the hype at all. Let's go ahead.
Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me. No, baby, you mean more to me, more to me. looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But get it, come to me, to me. Come to me, let's go. Come to me, Fatu bata jembele, oh Lord. The Fatu bata jembele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatu bata jembele, everything being safe again now. Everything for your jembele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no.
He's gonna walk up inside the store. Oh, you can feel the AC. This look fire. Like, look at these light shows and stuff, bruh. Yeah, this look crazy. I don't know if they got anything else up in here, but I don't think so. So I'm gonna do a WWE entrance real quick, man. I think I got Booker T. Washington. We got Triple H. We got John Cena. But no, I'm playing. We inside the AT&T building. They ain't got nothing up in here for real, so we're probably gonna leave because they probably gonna kick us out here in a second. But yeah, man, they got the LED panels and stuff. It kind of look fire. They do look dope up in here, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna get like a quick little picture and everything up in here. See if I can grab some. This camera fire again. It's cool. I think I really messed with this main podium, bro. Like this, I don't know what this supposed to be, like the network, the guts of a network. But let's go back on the streets, man. It feels great, man. Did you feel that? You felt that AC, y'all, when you walked up in here? Like that AC just felt oh. God damn. It was stuck, but then I got it, and it was fixed. But, so yeah, like we got this great scenery out here in Dallas. So far the picture's going good, man. We only on 85% as well, which that's definitely not bad. But this Magnolia building, it's hot. It's hot.